There comes a time that you want to cook something different since you're used to cooking that dish the same way. So in this recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to cook a very simple and easy liver wet fried recipe, which is going to need minimal ingredients and it's going to turn out amazing. We are going to start off by soaking our liver, and I have 3/4 kg of fresh liver. So the first step is going to be removing the membrane, which makes the liver a little bit tough when you cook with the membrane. So using a sharp knife, I'm going to pick a corner. Okay, let me transfer the liver on my chopping board. Then I'm going to pick a knife and carefully I'm going to place underneath the membrane. Pick it up and then I'm going to pull. Or you can run your finger inside just like this. Flip and then you're going to remove the membrane on the other side. Once you're done, you're going to pick your knife and cut your liver into bite-sized pieces. And once you're done, you're going to transfer to a small bowl. And I'm going to clear my working surface. Then we're going to be adding in 3/4 cup of milk. You're going to be soaking your liver for around 5 to 10 minutes in the milk, and this is going to remove toxins from the liver. When done soaking your liver, you're going to wash for around 2 times. Then you're going to prep up an onion, garlic. This is assorted peppers. You'll need some ketchup, a few spices which you're going to find listed in the description box together with cooking oil. The recipe is super easy. So I'm going to grab a pan. Then I'm going to place over medium-high flame and add in around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. When the oil is ready, I'm going to add in 1 medium onion. Pick a spatula. Then I'm going to saute my onion for around a minute or until the onion is soft. When your onion is ready, you're going to add in your liver. Add in 4 cloves of garlic. Then you're going to be adding in a couple of spices. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of peri seasoning, and half a teaspoon of cayenne powder. You can reduce the amount of cayenne to your own liking. Add in a seasoning cube. Add in a beef stock cube. Toss all the spices until fully combined to the liver, and the paprika is going to add in a very nice reddish color. The garlic powder is going to add in some more garlic flavor, and the peri seasoning together with the cayenne powder is going to add in a kick of spiciness together with lots of very delicious flavor. So I'm going to be boiling my liver for around 5 minutes. So I'm going to add in 1 cup of water, stir in. Then I'm going to let all the flavors, all the nice aromas infuse together with the liver as it's boiling for around 5 to 6 minutes. Reduce the flames to medium-low so that the liver can slowly cook and soften up. After 6 minutes, I'm going to check on my liver, which has been cooking slowly. Using a spatula, I'm going to stir in, and wow, you can tell the liver is going to be so delicious because of the gravy. So I'm going to check the seasoning. We have already added in some stock cube and seasoning cube which contain a little bit of salt. So it's a little bit salty, but I still need some more salt. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon. Throw in my assorted peppers, which are going to add in so much color to the dish. Cook your capsicum for around a minute, and it's going to turn out very crunchy and not overcooked. So the final ingredient that you're going to be adding to our liver is some ketchup. So this is a 1/3 cup. If you have some tomato sauce in the house, don't add that, because the ketchup is going to add in tanginess and sweetness to the liver, which is going to be so good in a nice way. Stir in the ketchup, reduce the flames to low, and as you're coating the liver, which is tender and flavorful, with the sauce, you'll notice that it turns out so delicious. It looks so delicious. That is what I'm trying to say. Cook for around 30 seconds, then you're going to garnish with some coriander. You can see the capsicum has softened up and it's pliable and it's still crunchy. So now I am ready to serve. This is a delightful, flavorful liver recipe, which is totally worth trying. As you can see, I've plated up my delicious liver with some boiled sweet potatoes. And the best part about the recipe is that it's super versatile. You can also serve with some ugali, chapati, rice, mashed potatoes, and each bite is going to be amazing.